Khloe Kardashian and Tristan Thompson celebrated Halloween with their baby daughter, True, in Cleveland. The couple appeared to be in good spirits amid reports that the Keeping Up with the Kardashians star is still undecided about her future with the 27-year-old sportsman, as they dressed their little girl up in a series of sweet costumes. The NBA player took to his Instagram story to share a picture of him with his girls and one of them holding baby True in the air. On the first photo, he joked, "Clearly, I don't know where the camera lens is." And the second was simply captioned, "Happy Halloween." The 34-year-old reality TV star was recently spotted supporting Tristan at his basketball game in Cleveland. But insiders claim she still isn't sure how long she wants to stay in the city with the sports star, or whether she thinks her longtime future remains in Los Angeles. We're betting you loved that video. Wasn't it great? Well, like and subscribe to get even more.